Hello everyone, I'm Tony. Today we're learning how to order food in English. So let's imagine you walk into a cafe or a restaurant, or perhaps if you're in the USA, it would be a diner. You sit down, the waiter comes and says, "Are you ready to order?" What can you say? That's today's lesson. Here are some very useful phrases. For example, I'd like a coffee, or I'd like something. Okay. Can I have? So, for example, can I have a sandwich, please? I'll take, for example, I'll take the chicken. And don't forget the magic word, please. English speakers expect it. Repeat after me. I'd like a pizza, please. Can I have some water, please? I'll take the salad, please. Good. Sometimes you need more. So if you're asking about the menu, what do you recommend? What's in this dish? Or if you're asking about the bill, can I have the bill, please? In the USA, check, please. Let's try a mini dialogue. So, waiter, are you ready to order? You. Yes, I'd like the pasta, please. Waiter, anything to drink? You. Can I have some water, please? Waiter, of course, thank you. You, thank you. Simple, polite, clear. So today we learned I'd like, can I have, I'll take. Also, we looked at what do you recommend? Can I have the bill, please? Use these every time you eat out. Practice them and soon they'll feel natural. That's it for today's lesson. If you found this helpful, watch my other videos to practice more everyday English. See you next time.